There are several causes of back pain. It is often difficult to point out the cause when back pain affects you. Dr. Ashok Goel speaks about what the causes of your back pain can be.
The causes of back pain would be classified as per the age of the person. When the person has got low back pain and is a young child, it could be because of a congenital problem in which there is a fall or back slip of one vertebra of the other. The other cause of back pain could be infection. Infection in our country, tuberculosis is pretty common and it involves the upper part of the back, though any part of the back could be involved. Besides this, we can have an infection which is a bacterial infection, and that could cause back pain. The other causes of back pain could be an inflammatory process involving the systemic system, in which we manage the back pain with the drugs. Then we can have the back pain because of mechanical problems. A mechanical problem could be a minor strain to the back muscles, or it could also involve a disc slip. In a disc slip, the disc, that is the space maintainer between the two vertebral bones, moves backwards and it causes a pressure on the nerve. The pressure on the nerve causes pain down the leg and causes pain in the back, from the back. Besides this, we should also remember that tumors of the back could also be a cause of the back pain. The tumors could be primarily be part of the hematological system, we call it a multiple myeloma, or more commonly it could be because of the spread of tumor from elsewhere involving the other systems, and it is increasingly metastasized or spread to the bones of the back because of the increased blood supply. Besides this, there could be a degeneration of the back. A degeneration means that the vertebra, they'll be rubbing against each other and causing wear and tear. We should not forget the other causes of back pain, namely the gynecological pain, in which because of the pressure retraction on the uterus, it causes a back pain. Or say the person is pregnant, because of the relaxin hormones, it can cause a back pain, or a referred pain because of pancreatitis, the pancreas being a structure in the abdomen, retroperitoneal, which is very close to the back, we could have a referred pain at the back.
For more videos related to relieving pain, log on to onlymyhealth.com.